From this video, you can get study tips for PL-300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst exam and share online PL-300 practice exam to test. There are 4 study tips you can take. Before taking your PL-300 exam, you should have an overview for this exam. It has 4 topics in the PL-300 exam. You should study each points thoroughly. Share online PL-300 free questions to test from Cert 007. Question 1. You need to address the data concerns before creating the data model. What should you do in Power Query Editor? A. Select column distribution. B. Select the sales _ amount column and apply a number filter. C. Select column profile, and then select the sales _ amount column. D. Transform the sales _ amount column to replace negative values with 0. Answer: C. Question 2. You plan to use Power BI Desktop to create a bug tracking dashboard that will pull data from analytics in Azure DevOps. From Power BI Desktop, you need to configure a data connector to authenticate to Azure DevOps. The solution must meet the following requirements. Use analytics views. Filter data from the cloud. Which connector should you use? A. OData queries. B. Azure DevOps, boards only. C. Azure DevOps Server, boards only. D. OData feed. Answer: B. Question 3. You have a Power BI dataset named Finance that is hosted in a Power BI workspace. The finance team at your company is not currently a member of any Power BI workspace roles. You need to enable the finance team to use Microsoft Excel to analyze the finance dataset. What should you do? A. Create a row-level security (RLS) role and add the finance team to the role as members. B. Provide an Excel workbook that is connected to the finance dataset. C. Grant the finance team write permissions to the finance dataset. D. Grant the finance team build permissions to the finance dataset. Answer: D. Question 4. You have a project management app that is fully hosted in Microsoft Teams. The app was developed by using Microsoft Power Apps. You need to create a Power BI report that connects to the project management app. Which connector should you select? A. Microsoft Teams Personal Analytics. B. SQL Server Database. C. Dataverse. D. Dataflows. Answer: C. Question 5. You need to create a Power BI theme that will be used in multiple reports. The theme will include corporate branding for font size, color, and bar chart formatting. What should you do? A. Create a theme as a PBIVIZ file and import the theme into Power BI Desktop. B. Create a theme as a JSON file and import the theme into Power BI Desktop. C. From Power BI Desktop, use a built-in report theme. D. From Power BL Desktop, customize the current theme. Answer: D. Question 6. You need to create a Power BI theme that will be used in multiple reports. The theme will include corporate branding for font size, color, and bar chart formatting. What should you do? A. From Power BL Desktop, customize the current theme. B. From Power BL Desktop, use a built-in report theme. C. Create a theme as a JSON file and import the theme into Power BL Desktop. D. Create a theme as a PBIVLZ file and import the theme into Power BL Desktop. Answer: C. Question 7. You have a Power BL workspace that contains several reports. You need to provide a user with the ability to create a dashboard that will use the visuals from the reports. What should you do? A. Grant the read permission for the datasets to the user. B. Add the user as a viewer of the workspace. C. Share the reports with the user. D. Create a row-level security (RLS) role and add the user to the role. E. Add the user as a member of the workspace. Answer: B. Question 8. You have an on-premises Power BI report server. You plan to create a report in Power BI Desktop and publish the report to the report server. Which data source should the report use? A. Microsoft Azure SQL Database. B. A. Microsoft SQL Server Database. C. A. Microsoft SQL Server Analysis Services, SSAS, database. D. Microsoft Excel. Answer: C. Question 9. You have a Power BI report. The report contains visualizations that have interactions. You need to identify which visualizations take the longest to complete. What should you use? A. SQL Server Profiler. B. Performance Analyzer in Power BI Desktop. C. Query Diagnostics in Power BI. D. Microsoft Edge DevTools. Answer: B. Question 10. You create a dashboard by using the Microsoft Power BL service. The dashboard contains a card visual that shows total sales from the current year. You grant users access to the dashboard by using the viewer role on the workspace. A user wants to receive daily notifications of the numbers shown on the card visual. You need to automate the notifications. What should you do? A. Share the dashboard to the user. B. Create a subscription. C. Create a data alert. D. Tag the user in a comment. Answer: C. Why choose CERT 007 study material for your preparation? Thank you for watching. Subscribe CERT 007 for more exam tips and tutorials.